Okay, YouTubers, welcome back. This is my floor in my kitchen. Remodel. This white refrigerator is the old one, and the other one is the new one. We are getting ready for the appraiser tomorrow. So this here, appliances are in and ready to go. They work. That's important. I just got to do a little touch up, as you can see on the wall there, and there, little touch up paint. Gonna get my stuff out tomorrow, and so it looks pretty. We'll be all done with all of this. So there's my full pool. Can't really see it right now. It's a little bit dirty. But there's my outside. Remember, it was all covered up. And here's my Barbie Q. There's the temporary sink. I'm going to actually keep it here. It's bolted to the floor. It's nice to have to wash things off, hot and cold water. So here we go. Under the canopy. And look at that. Beautiful moon. Dang. It's a little chilly, about maybe 60 degrees. So this is it. Oh, look at that big old stump over there. I got that tree done. I finally did it. The palm tree. It was growing fast. It was going to grow just like the other one, way up there, and I wasn't going to have it. So that's going to be a nice looking camera post. A 360 degree camera. Nice. So we could get a nice view of the outside. There we go. Here we are. See, it's all right. Thank you for watching.